Hey, I'm Christian and I just want to get right into it. I want to start doing car videos. Right now I own a 2003 Lancer DE. This is a model that didn't come to the United States. It came here to Puerto Rico and there's just a few of them. It's a 1.6 liter and automatic, but still looks hella good. And yeah, today's video I am gonna talk to you about my car and what I've done to it and what I plan to do to it. But first, we need to go pick up some new parts. So let's go. Okay, so just so I can give you context, this is my local parts store, and I've been coming here ever since I got the car. So every oil change, coolant, flush, everything, I come to these people because I like to support like the local people, and they always treat me good. So let's go in. It's great when you get new car parts. All right, let me see you guys up here. I'll see you up in the bed. Okay, so I ordered these Tuesday last week, so today's Monday. Took about a week, and I'll show you guys what it is. Okay, so I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell what it is, but these are window visors. My car was like, I wanted to get these a long time ago, but I mean there was some better things I could have gotten. But let me take them out of the plastic because you can't. I will take them out just to show you. Okay, you see? For the window visors. And I'm not gonna install these today, even though I really want to. I won't. I'll make myself wait until tomorrow, so I can ask my friend for the other tripod, and maybe he can help me do some cinematics when I'm done installing it. But yeah, my car. Let's talk about my car. Okay. So let's talk about the car. Ever since I started putting money into my car, I did a list of things I wanted to get for the car, and the list was this small, and it kept growing, and it's still growing. I don't think I'll ever be done with the list, but this is it. The camera's gonna focus on it, and I've gone pretty far. Like I have most of it is already like marked. Whenever I get the stuff, I don't mark it, I just leave it, and when I install it is when I mark it. So the van visors, or window visors, are not gonna be marked until I install them. I have rims. I got the lock nuts the same day I got the rims. Headlights, like headlight bulbs, LEDs. Interior lights, I got those a couple days ago. I got the dome light, I got the dash light screen, reverse lights, like I got LED reverse lights, and I got the stop lights, LEDs too, because I had one blown and I don't want to take it. Suspension. Now this one I have it marked, but it's not, like I need to add another one because I don't have suspension. I have cut springs. AC. My car didn't have AC when I got it, and it sucked. So I fixed the AC. Window tints, I got those two after I fixed the AC. I have floor mats. That one I don't have marked because I still haven't gotten some OEM floor mats. Skirts, like the side skirts and the front and back lip, I did get them. Then I have spoiler. Now when I put spoiler, I want a duckbill. Exhaust. This is another one I have marked, but I don't have the exhaust I want. I marked it because I fixed the exhaust leak I had. Music. I am not a fan of really loud speakers. I don't really like that. So I marked it because I got 4 new speakers and that's about it. The grill. Now that was one of the most important things that I wanted to get. I hate the stock Lancer grill. I hate it. And I wanted to get the one I have. That is the best looking grill out there. You can't argue about that. The roof spoiler. I want a spoiler. A roof spoiler. Aftermarket seats. I haven't done that yet. I have steering wheel, quick release, extra front lip. That's the one Ketting has. I love that front lip, like the Subaru one. I know it looks good, and well, thanks Ketting. The JDM bumpers. Now that was a crazy find. This is the vent visors. Well, that's whatever I left without noticing the mic was not working. So I have the window visors, I have the sun strip, like the La Visera. I don't know, I think it's called a sun strip. I have underglow, that's marked. And last but not least is, I don't know if you can see it, it's paint. That is the last thing on the list. That's gonna be it. I think I talked way too much. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna try and make another one for the install and make a cinematic with Jamar. I hope you guys enjoyed and stay tuned because I'm gonna try and do this more often whenever I can, whenever I feel like it, because I'm like that. And I'll see you guys later.